Okay, so what we need to do is go and create your TagMango account. So if we go into TagMango here, into the TagMango account, what how it works is that on the left side there's a navigation menu, and on the top there is another menu. So after you've created your account, you will be given an OTP, which is a one-time password, which is very good for for safety reasons, for hacking, fraud. So that one-time password will go into your email. You need to copy and paste and put that into where the figures are needed. It gets you into the dashboard. Then in the dashboard, it'll come up with a screen that is for asking you a series of questions. Just say that you were referred by a partner, which is myself, and no, you're just wanting the TagMango free platform. So once you've done that, you come into here, into your dashboard, and you actually, everything starts off with the mango. But before I go into showing you how to build the actual platform for yourself, I just wanted to give you a little bit of a background as to why. Why do you need to have this for your business? So I'm just going to open up a an app here. I hope that you can see that. Um, so what happens is usually we have what we call a landing page. Now, a landing page is different from a website. A website is just a static bio of your actual business. It's not dynamic. Then you've got what you call as a landing page, which generally is the first point of entry for a sales funnel. Okay, so a landing page, you may have an offer, a digital product, or a service offering, and in your landing page, you're going to give a little bit of information about that particular offer. Now, could you imagine trying to do that on your website? Your website's very static. It gives you an about us, contact me, some of the services that you do. So it's like a summary. Whereas a landing page is more designed about, hey, I want to do this offer. I want to do a webinar. So you need a landing page, and it's going to give a title, and it's going to give a little bit of a description and what are you going to cover in it. It's going to give the prospect a little bit about you. It's going to show testimonials and a few more little snippets of information, which is different from the website. But in this case, why we have to do it is you want to generate leads into your business. Okay, so in order to do that, you're going to have to build slowly, step by step, a pathway for your customer to, once they've got an awareness of you and they like something you're offering, they're going to bite at it. Just like when you go fishing and you throw your rod in there with some bait and the fish are swimming, and then they go bang, right? And then you reel it up. So it's the same thing with this. With so much noise and chaos out there, you're going to be offering something that you want to give to your prospects out there. That may be a webinar, like I said, or a workshop or a one-on-one consultation. You need to decide, what are you going to do, right? To get people into your ecosystem. What are you going to offer for them to come and buy into your business, into your product, and get into your ecosystem? So generally, a landing page has those elements in it. So after the landing page, we go, okay, so what? You've got a landing page. Well, once they read that landing page, they're going to what? Register, right? So we have what we call is a payment page here. So in your case, it's not going to be an amount of money that they're going to exchange with you because you're giving something for free, all right? So it's still called a payment page or a checkout page or a registration page, and in this case, it's going to be called a Mango page, okay? Because you're in the free platform, you're in TagMango, and everything starts with a mango. So this payment page is a mango, okay? So this is where people are going to, once they've looked at your landing page and they go, I want to attend this, they're going to go click a hot button, like click here, join now, register now, and they're going to be taken to what is called a checkout page or a registration page. And in there, that's where they put their details, my name, my email address, and yes, I want to join this free webinar. After they've done that, we have to think about the customer as well, and we have to then give them, well, a thank you page, right? So because you're giving something for free, right, it's not going to be a purchase, but it's going to be a thank you for registering. So we've got 3 steps there, right? After the thank you page, we have to then have some automated emails happening, right? So that is also built in this dashboard. Thank you for registering. Um, 24 hours before your webinar or workshop, they're going to get an email to say you're going to go live. Then it'll be 24 hours. Then it's going to be 3 hours. Then it'll be, half an hour and then 15 minutes to remind them they, they need to log in and watch you live, right? So that is also coming behind the scenes automatically, right? So after they've got those emails, what else has to happen? Well, they need to be able to attend the workshop. So we've got a workshop there, okay? So you've got a customer here that's seen your landing page. They hit the button, register now. They put in their details at this phase. Then automatically a thank you page comes up that they've registered, they're in. Then email automation happens behind the scenes. Then they will get access links to your workshop, right? So then after that, you may have a one-on-one session that you want to give them, a strategy session. So straight from there, you would give them another link to have a one-on-one with you, right? So as you can see how powerful this is for your business when it's all set up behind the scenes. You just need to set it up once. You need to share that link, the URL, and all of that is been taken care of behind the scenes. Landing page, payment page, thank you page, automated emails, your workshop, right? How are they going to attend your workshop? It'll have the Zoom link and everything in there. And then after that, you would want to nurture them one-on-one session. And this process here, payment page, this is really smart. In your payment page is where the registration details go in, which is your name, email, phone number of your prospect. Straight away they go into your dashboard and as part of your hub or community, right? That is amazing. Straight away you've got their email address and you've got their phone number and you can start nurturing them in your dashboard. But I just wanted to show you this because you're probably thinking, I can't figure this out. Why do I need to have this dashboard? So I hope that you found value from watching this. So what we're going to now dive into is creating this part here, which is we're not going to concentrate on the landing page today because the landing page, there is a little bit of a learning curve with that, but once you get practice, it's quite easy. But to get you started, I'm creating what you call is a registration checkout page, and in your case, you got the free platform, so we're at this stage here called a mango. So on the left side, click that, and we're going to say create a new mango. All right. Now in here, we have to give the new digital service offering a name, a title. So for an example, I'm going to have a webinar. It's a free webinar, um, how to launch your business from zero. Okay, in here it has to be 100 characters, up to 100. Then up here you would get a image. I'll just use this one, and you can see that that's come up, and you go save, and have a look on the right side. What you're typing on the left is happening on the right. So we've done an image, and we're going to say join free this 2-hour live webinar session where you are going to learn how to launch your digital business on steroids without tech overwhelm, right? Please register your details. Please hit the register now. So this is a free. So you can see here, I need to turn that on because if I don't, then it's going to want me to put a price in there. And if you need to, you can have one paid and one free. There's a new thing that's come out to give you a test trial on this. So that's really good for them to do this. So say it's $97 for a product. Um, it's still showing in their currency because this is created overseas. So we need to then do, because it's not a white label, you're just test driving how the mechanics of this is working. So we go, it's a free service offering, all right? So we need to select free. Then you're going to hit the save, register now. See how that changed to register now instead of buy now. So please register now, right? Then we're going to save that. And then it comes up with this message here. Hey there, welcome. Super excited to see you here and tell you that your purchase is confirmed. I didn't purchase anything, but we could change that and say your registration is confirmed. All further details. All further details we'll put up on this TagMango feed, which is similar to Facebook, how it has a feed. Wishing you a great experience ahead. Cheers, right? So we can say post that. Why do we need to post it? Is that whoever registers for your webinar or your workshop, when they hit your dashboard, this is the first message that they're going to see. So that is what that means. They're just welcoming them, right? So we say post, and you can start inviting people if you want. But there's one more step, right, that we need to make when we're thinking about our customers. So we can't be selfish and just think of ourselves, okay? So what we're going to do is go back to your dashboard, go back to your mangoes. We're going to select that toggle button up there. It's going to show the free checkout registration page that we just built. I want you to hit the edit button. And in here, the registration success page, we need to think about our customers. It's pretty rude for them to just get registered and bang, right? So we're going to customize it a little bit. We're going to say, put a picture. I'll go back to that. That was a bit fast. So that's the Mango details, registration success page. Add a custom section, and we hit the image button. We choose a file, and we just say it's that one. And we're going to say, thanks, oh, you're in, congratulations. And then in here, look forward to having you on the free webinar. And yeah, don't forget to check your spam folder in case emails are hiding. Yep. Okay, so when I add that, have a look on this side here. Now we've got you're in, congratulations, look forward to having. Doesn't that seem a lot better? That's much better for your customer's journey, okay? That you actually give a damn. So after we've done that, we're going to hit save. And that's your first step. That's the first step of what you're creating is a checkout registration page. And if you actually hit that, this is what it looks like. Free webinar, how to launch your business from zero. Bit of a detail, enter your details, bang, right? Once somebody registers, in your dashboard down here on the left under customers, that person will start appearing, another person will appear, another one, and this is where you can manage your customers, right? Also, when they come and they've signed up, automatically they have entered your ecosystem, your dashboard, your very own. You'll have a whole heap of customers joining in there, and you can actually start writing hello. Nice to have you join here. Tell us a little about yourself, and you can put a image if you like. I'll put one of me there, and then you could publish that. Right? So what happens is, there I am there, and then people in your community can love it. They can add a comment, right? So how cool is that? All right, so now, once that's done, I want you to build that, and that is the first step to creating a free checkout page where you can start to get leads, and then all this gets automated behind the scene, right? So go ahead and create that for yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.